Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel, Healthy Choices PH. So again, today, we have a new healthy recipe for you guys na pwede nyong gawin sa bahay. So if you're doing keto or vegan, I'll show you how you can adjust the recipes according to your health needs. So, of course, the star of our recipe today is almond milk and chia seeds. So, chia seeds is very rich in fiber and protein. So, at the same time, so if you're feeling constipated, if you're experiencing, tiyatawag, di ba sa keto, minsan constipate ka, you feel bloated, or you're not making poo regularly, so this will be the best way for you para makapag-poo. Okay? So at the same time, chia seeds are very rich in omega-3 fatty acids. So, anti-aging, good for the heart. So, yun yung benefits niya. Now, almond milk is our next star. So, almond milk, you should get the unsweetened version. Okay, so almond milk, so of course, is also rich in calcium, and at the same time, it's very high in vitamin E, and it's low in sugar. So, alam naman natin, di ba, most likely, ang cheap na milk sa Philippines is yung mga processed na milk, di ba? So, if you don't want highly processed foods or drinks, you should get almond milk. So, at the same time, okay, if you're lactose intolerant, so this one is lactose free, and it's also good for vegans or vegetarians. Yeah. So, you could both get this in www.healthychoices.ph. Okay, so the link will be posted in the description below. Okay, so guys, you can order this, and I will post a discount code there so that you could avail a discount when you want to order this and deliver. So we deliver right now, kahit quarantine po, we deliver around Metro Manila. So just visit our website. So anyway, now, how can you make your chia seed pudding? So ang chia seeds kasi nag-expand sila when soaked overnight. So, now, you just need 3 jars. Pwedeng jars, Tupperware, anything that you want to put your chia pudding. Pwedeng baso, up to your choice. Up to you kung ano mo, preferred choice of container. So, now, we have 3 toppings right now. So, we have bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. So, yung strawberries ko is frozen and blueberries is frozen. So anyway, if you're doing lazy keto, okay, and you're allowed from 20 grams to 50 grams of carbs a day, you could eat blueberries and banana. Okay? Ngayon, if you're doing strict keto, strawberries is the best choice for you, or you could just use plain chia seeds with almond milk. Okay? So, for vegan options or vegetarians, any of these options is best for you. Now, kung may iba kang choice ng toppings like unsweetened cocoa nibs or unsweetened chocolate, your choice. So, una mong gagawin is put chia seeds. Okay? So, recommended dosage lang every day is 50 grams. So, that's good enough for your fiber. So, I use 1 tablespoon of chia seeds per mason jar ko. So this is the best alternative for you guys if you're not doing intermittent fasting and you want a quick breakfast recipe or breakfast food or snacks. For me, it's more of a dessert kasi I'm trying to avoid sweets. Charot. So yun. So this is a good alternative for you guys for desserts. And now you could mix your almond milk. So usually you can use 1 cup or 1.5 cup. Up to you. I like mine with a lot of almond milk. So, kailangan mo siyang haluin maigi, guys. Haluin niyo siya maigi para hindi siya makumpul-kumpul. Now, because you can, for example, hindi ka masyadong strict na keto, I want to put oats. Pwede ka maglagay ng oats if you want to increase your fiber intake. So, pwede mo siyang haluan. Pero ngayon, let's make a strict keto version. So you could refrigerate this overnight. So mag-expand siya, mag-thicken siya. Parang siyang gelatin. Parang gelatin natin yung consistency. Para siya magiging sako. And then you can add the toppings afterwards if you want. But for me, I prefer to put my toppings all together right now before putting it in the fridge. Para mag-absorb siya. Para mag-expand din siya. Ay, mag-absorb yung milk. Tsaka yung chia season sa fruits. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Diba? Easy lang. So, and then you cover it, and you seal it, and you let it refrigerate. Now, you could add vanilla or any sweetener of your choice, like stevia, erythritol. Pwede ko maglagay no, but for me, I prefer totally no sugar at all, or mga add-ons pa, hindi na kailangan. So, next. Okay, let's do the blueberries. So you can put blueberries. Pwede din papaya, guys, Filipino version. Or kung nagtitipid ka, I think pwede papaya at melon. Diba? Just check the carb content. So put blueberries. Ubusin na natin yung blueberries. Yan. So, and then you just heat it up. Now, I want my bananas. So, for example, tawag dito, meron ka ng overripe bananas. Medyo mushy na siya, brown na siya. This is the best time that you could add that to your chia seed pudding. Para hindi nga masayang, di ba? Hindi mo na siya itatapon. So, I want to mix yung banana ko with oats. Diba? So, you could use half cup of oats to mix it. Pwedeng rolled oats, pwedeng quick oats. Up to you guys. So, I like mine. Ubusin na natin siya. Okay? And then, mix it with banana. Kasi sayang naman, di ba guys, kung itatapon yun sa aking, kailangan magtipid tayo or mag-isip ng other ways. So, anyway, that's it guys. So, pang 3 days na to na dessert at saka breakfast option. So, there you go. Pwede pa siyang damihan ng almond milk if you want. So, hayaan nyo na siya mag-refrigerate. So, there you go guys. So, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you have any comments, if you have questions, just leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe my channel for more healthy recipes and fitness videos in my channel. Healthy Choices PH. So, thank you. Bye!